You are going to love the 2025 Solterra. The Subaru Solterra is an all-electric SUV designed for adventure and versatility. Featuring rugged styling, all-wheel drive, and a spacious tech-rich interior, it offers a blend of off-road capability and eco-friendly performance, making it a compelling choice for those seeking both practicality and sustainability.
This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, LED headlights, anti-lock braking system, all-wheel drive, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.